The 2025 Kia Sorento combines bold design with modern technology, performance versatility, and a comfortable interior, making it a top contender in the midsize SUV segment. Known for its well-rounded appeal, the 2025 Sorento improves on previous models with upgraded exterior aesthetics, an inviting cabin, and various engine options to suit diverse driving needs. Refined exterior design. The 2025 Sorento presents a sleek yet rugged exterior with Kia's signature Tiger Nose grille, enlarged for a bolder front-end look. Sharp LED headlights and a refined bumper design add to its presence, while available 20-inch wheels and new color options allow buyers to further personalize the SUV's appearance. The updated styling brings a fresh, modern vibe to the Sorento without compromising its classic appeal. Comfortable and spacious interior. Inside, the 2025 Sorento offers a roomy cabin with seating for up to 7, making it a fantastic family vehicle. The second-row seats slide and recline to provide easy access to the third row, enhancing the convenience factor. Kia has also upped the quality with premium materials, optional leather seats, and soft-touch finishes on higher trims, offering a luxurious feel for drivers and passengers alike. An available panoramic sunroof adds an airy touch, ideal for long road trips or daily commuting. Advanced technology. In terms of technology, the 2025 Sorento features a 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen equipped with Apple CarPlay and on Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. Higher trims include a digital driver display, and the Sorento also offers an optional Bose sound system for an immersive audio experience. Kia's UVO system supports remote start and climate control adjustments, enhancing convenience by allowing owners to access key functions via a smartphone app. Powertrain choices for every driver. The 2025 Sorento caters to various preferences with multiple powertrains, including a base 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine for everyday driving and a turbocharged 2.5-liter option for those who want more power. Additionally, Kia offers hybrid and plug-in hybrid PHEV versions, with the hybrid combining a 1.6-liter turbo engine and an electric motor for improved fuel economy. The PHEV model provides an electric-only driving range, making it ideal for eco-conscious drivers. Comprehensive safety suite. Safety remains a strong point for the 2025 Sorento. The Kia Drive Wise suite includes features like forward collision warning, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist to boost driver awareness. Higher trims also feature adaptive cruise control with stop and go functionality, enhancing the Sorento's capability in busy traffic. The surround view monitor on select models aids with parking in tight spaces, further elevating the SUV's safety profile. Off-road capability. For those interested in off-road adventures, Kia offers Pro X-Line and X-Pro trims, which come with increased ground clearance, more rugged tires, and an all-wheel drive system optimized for tougher terrains. These features make the Sorento adaptable for light off-roading and driving in varied weather conditions, giving it an edge over some competitors in the mid-size SUV market. Price and trims. The 2025 Kia Sorento is available in several trims, from the more budget-friendly base model to the high-end SX Prestige, which includes luxurious features like leather upholstery, advanced safety tech, and high-quality interior details. For those seeking adventure, the X-Line and X-Pro trims provide ruggedness and extra capability. Conclusion. The 2025 Kia Sorento is an ideal option for families, commuters, and anyone seeking an SUV that offers style, comfort, and versatility. With its range of powertrains, spacious cabin, and advanced safety features, the Sorento continues to stand out as a well-rounded choice in its class. Whether for daily commutes or family road trips, the Sorento meets the needs of modern drivers looking for performance, comfort, and safety in one package.